there is in fact a huge sporting craze in India. We all know that. In every nook and corner you will find someone who either follows cricket or football or tennis or some other sport. But unfortunately, like sporting infrastructure fails to match the level of enthusiasm people have. In what can only be termed as a major global embarrassment for India, at least 3 dog bite incidents were reported in the space of just 30 minutes at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi. And the worst part about it is that these incidents took place during World Para Athletics Championships. In fact, among the 3 people who were bitten by stray dogs are the fencing coach of Japan and the sprint coach of Kenya. In fact, a total of 5 dog bite incidents have been reported ever since the games began. These shocking incidents have raised safety concerns among the athletes as well as their staff members and show India, which is hosting the event for the first time, in a very poor light. It also dents India's prospects of hosting major global events like the Olympics, which we are hoping to host in 2036. Several prominent voices have come out and condemned the dog bite incidents during the JNU sporting event. Listen in.
You're only reporting it because 2 overseas visitors were bitten. There are 10,000 people in India who are bitten by street dogs every day. So this is a problem which is not getting solved. In spite of the Supreme Court order, there has been no perceptible change in the ground reality. Dogs are still prevalent in the streets of India. They are biting our citizens, 10,000 of them every single day. People are getting rabies and people are dying of rabies. The entire onus has been shifted to the local bodies who don't have the resources, the manpower or the wherewithal to deal with this problem.
कैसी विडंबना है ये? जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम दिल्ली में पैरा एथलेटिक्स चैंपियनशिप के दौरान केन्या और जापान के 2 अधिकारियों को आवारा कुत्तों ने काट लिया है। इससे देश की साख क्या होगा? पिछले कई वर्षों से हम इस मामले को उठा रहे हैं, जबकि अभी कोर्ट का जो डायरेक्टिव आया था उसमें साफ तौर से कहा है सड़कों के ऊपर, सार्वजनिक जगहों के ऊपर, अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर, सोसाइटी के अंदर किसी तरह की स्ट्रे डॉग्स को फीडिंग नहीं कराई जा सकती थी। तो मेरी सरकार और सुप्रीम कोर्ट से ये गुजारिश है कि आवारा कुत्तों की समस्या के ऊपर उनको ध्यान देना चाहिए।
Let's now go across to my colleague Shivam, who is joining us live right now on this shocking incident that has come to light from JLN Stadium in the national capital. Shivam, what is happening right now? What kind of measures are now being taken by the organizers to ensure that this does not happen again?
Well, for now, the organizers have put up the blame on first the individuals who were feeding the stray dogs outside the JLN Stadium and also on the MCD, the Municipal Corporation Department of the National Capital. In their official statement that they have come out, they have said that an official request was made to MCD a few months back to remove all the stray dogs in the nearby area. And they have also put up the blames on the individuals that have an habit of feeding the stray dogs in the entire area. And according to the organizers, this has actually led to a lot of chaos and the problem that has come in. But the major question here is why it is all coming in after this accident has happened. Was there no checks and balancings being maintained? If yes, one letter was sent to MCD and they did not perform their duty, was any follow-up taken? Was any official complaint registered against those individuals who were feeding the stray dogs outside the JLN campus? So these are the questions that have come in. So far we have seen that in these World Paralympic Championship, athletes from more than 150 countries are participating. So it is not some small event, it is a global spectacle. And we have seen how Prime Minister Narendra Modi and various officials of the government has also promoted this event, saying that it will lead to the road towards the Olympics. But such incident happening of civic mismanagement, something like maintaining or removing stray dogs from such an event where these high quality athletes are coming in, is absolutely shocking. And now the questions are arising on each and every entity involved in this particular organization. Yes, it is the duty of the MCD. Yes, the people who were feeding the stray dogs should have been more careful. But the question is, what was the organizing committee doing? It is not like the event started yesterday, and it was not like it happened only once. There were 3 instances, as you rightly mentioned, and 5 in total. So was there any official complaint made to the local police or to the MCD van or to the vans who come and pick up the dog? These are the questions that really needs to be asked now, but they have not been responded. It seems like so far everybody is just trying to put the blame on the other party, trying to save themselves from, this embarrassment. But we need to understand that when it comes to embarrassment, this is an embarrassment for a nation who is going to be a global superpower when it comes to sport, who is eyeing to host the Olympic, the biggest sporting event of all time. We are bidding on one side, we are bidding for that. But on the other side, if we are not able to manage such a small situation like stray dog, then it becomes really a contentious topic, and it will lead to a lot of questions being asked from the common people and also from the athletes as well.
Right.
So to see how
stay on with us. In fact, we also would like to play for our viewers a report that was sent to us by my colleague Tejshri.
World Para Athletics Championship 2025 is underway at the JLN Stadium in the national capital, from where we are reporting right now. And on Friday, an unfortunate and embarrassing incident has come to light where 2 stray dogs have attacked the coaches and a security guard as well. Here is the location from where we are reporting, and remember that this is not for the first time that such kind of incident has come to light. But yes, what we are picking up is that a security guard at the stadium's entrance gate was attacked. Kenyan coach and a Japanese coach, they all were attacked. 3 dog bites in 30 minutes. Japan, Kenya and security guard, please ensure the dogs are taken out of the stadium. This is getting beyond alarming. This was the message. This was one of the message in the WPAC local organizing committee WhatsApp group, which highlighted the apathy, the incident and the unfortunate incident, in fact, that took place over here at JLN Stadium. And as we were talking, that this is the 5th such kind of incident where the dogs have attacked the individuals, which has come to light. Viewers, such a big championship, World Para Athletics Championship, being organized at the JLN Stadium, and such incidents coming to light are definitely quite concerning and embarrassing as well. A strong and stern action needs to be taken on such kind of incidents so that next time these incidents do not take place. With Vijay Shamim, this is Tejshri, 4 times now from Delhi.
All right, so that was a report sent to us by my colleague Tejshri. Shivam, thank you very much for your inputs on the story. We have to now move on, and there are some more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. As Shivam was also telling us, now we have a statement from the organizing committee of the Indian Oil World Para Athletics Championships 2025. The organizing committee, in fact, has reiterated its commitment to ensure an uncompromised environment of safety, health and security for athletes, officials as well as spectators. They say that on 21st of August, a formal request was made to MCD to safeguard the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium by removing stray dogs from the venue. Acting swiftly, the MCD cleared the premises well before the start of the championships, and dog catching vehicles have been stationed at the stadium from day one to ensure constant vigilance and immediate response. Despite the precautionary measures, the challenge of individuals repeatedly feeding stray dogs near the venue has allowed animals to re-enter the premises. Let me go across to my colleague Karishma joining us on the broadcast. Okay, we'll go across to her in just a bit, but there you see now the blame is being put on those who have been feeding the stray dogs by the organizing panel. In fact, the organizing committee has also said that this, incident of some people feeding stray dogs in the vicinity led to 2 isolated incidents at the warm-up track on 3rd of October, with coaches of Japan and Kenya getting bit. Let's go across to my colleague Karishma, who is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Karishma, in a way, a blame game is taking place. You have the organizing committee saying that we wrote to the MCD did its job, then it's those who were feeding these stray dogs around the area, they were involved in this particular incident. But the question is that what is the lasting solution that the organizing committee now has in mind?
Penina, it's just one day to go for the championships, and this, of course, has been an embarrassing incident that has come to the fore. But what we're given to understand from the statement is that the organizing committee wrote to the MCD. MCD acted on that report and ensured that there are no stray dogs. As far as the venue is concerned, dog catching vans were also placed at the Nehru Stadium. But then the organizing committee goes on to say that there are challenges in terms of individuals that force themselves to feed the stray dogs, even though it is not a stray dog feeding area, and that is why this issue, the dog bite to the Japanese and the Kenyan coach, actually took place. But it says that it is going to continue to, ensure that the safety of the entire touring entourage of all the athletes and all the people who have come from various countries is ensured as the tournament comes to an end. The World Para-Athletics Championship comes to an end tomorrow on the 5th of October.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on the story, Karishma. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.